If you're on the lookout for a last minute Halloween costume or maybe even a holiday costume, then check this out. Shout out to the company for sending me this. I could go ahead and unbox it, give you my full and honest review. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. All right, so the headband comes in a little plastic wrap like this. Super cute. I'm going to go ahead and give you a close-up so you could take a look. I just took it out of the package, but I want you to see the actual detail on this. It is a super simple headband. The stitching looks nice. As you could see, you could clearly see the little deer ears, the antlers. This is the back side. Does have a small headband. It's like a felt material. So let me go ahead and put them on. And it's very, very simple. It's as if you're just putting on a headband. You want to just go ahead and gently lay them on the bed. They're not too tight. They are not pressing against my head. They're actually very lightweight. But take a look, super cute. Obviously, if you are going to go ahead and style this costume, definitely use the makeup to just light it up and make you look like a deer. But if you're looking for some cute last minute idea, then these are actually good quality. I would definitely recommend. I would personally use these if I am looking for something super last minute, or maybe even something that I want to do, or maybe for the holidays, for a Christmas celebration. Super nice. I like the stitching. I like the quality. They're not heavy. They're not pressing against my head. I'll go ahead and link them down below so you can go ahead and check them out. Also, make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.